Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.8-liter V8 engine, 4WD type, part-time, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.